Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the head quickly. Draw an oval and split it with a vertical and horizontal line to set direction. Once done, mark a hairline at 1/3 from the top so the jaw uses the lower 2/3. This balances proportions. Make sure to place an eye line at the oval's center and a nose line 1/3 below that. These simple guides give you the 3D orientation. Use firm, light strokes so you can adjust angle and tilt as you proceed. Now map the planes that turn the face into 3D. Draw a central nose plane line to show tilt and rotation, then block the brow, cheekbone, nose bridge, and chin as flat planes. Once these flats are established, indicate the eye sockets and the jaw's side planes with subtle 3/4 curves. That creates depth. Make sure to vary line weight darker on edges that face you, lighter on receding planes, because this visual contrast. Finish by refining each feature on the guides. Locate the eyes within the sockets, align the base of the nose to the nose line, and center the mouth between nose and chin. Once placed, apply shading to cheek hollows, under the brow ridge, and along the neck to sell volume. Blend from light to shadow across planes. If something looks off, recheck the center plane and light source. Adjust feature angles or shadow direction rather than redrawing everything, because small corrections restore believable 3D quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.